Third day of our journey started. Basically, it's a fourth day. Yesterday we have taken rest. I told you, right? We had some work in Kolkata. Technically, it's the third day of driving, but when you count by days, it's the fourth day. So we have started our journey right now. The time is 6:30 a.m. Man, it's super chilly here. Hyderabad. It is colder than Hyderabad. Like the temperature was varying between 9 to 12 degrees. It was very, very, very cold. However, we were able to start our journey, and we thought of starting at 6 a.m. but that's okay. Half an hour of delay is acceptable. Yep. Now today our itinerary is to reach Siliguri as early as possible. But when I was going through the traffic and all, there were 2 toll gates. Almost like there was a traffic jam of half an hour to 1 hour. It was showing in the map. I don't know how it will be there. So like lot of truck traffic. Even while entering Kolkata also, there were so many trucks, man. Completely trucks. I think maybe this is the gateway to enter Northeast, right? So I think all the goods and all will be taken from this route only. I think this is the only road to enter Northeast. That could be the reason for this truck traffic. Yep. So it's very foggy, very chilly, and we are warm completely here inside the car, completely charged up. Let's hope we will not face any issues like the second day of journey. That was very unexpected. So I hope even I will have to be more careful while driving. So even though you find an empty stretch of road, you have to be very careful, man. Like you cannot take a chance. So that's what I learned on the day 2 of driving. This will be my first time crossing West Bengal and entering Northeast in my own car. I mean by road. I'm super excited for this trip. I have traveled to Kolkata by car in 2017. Till Kolkata it was very smooth. That time there was no such construction happening. The road was pretty good. So maybe now they are upgrading the road. So that is the reason you have lot of constructions and all, especially after Bhubaneswar, man. When you near Kolkata, at least like 100 kilometers, if I'm not wrong, the village was Fuladi. From there you will get the proper highway, Kolkata highway. So from there you will not face any issue. But till that place, man, Bhubaneswar to Kolkata road is just a nightmare. So we are waiting here for this rail crossing. I don't know what is this village. There are so many villages, man. Like there is no break. Every 2 kilometers you have a village here. That's a good sign, because if you want something, then you can immediately get from wherever you want. You don't have to wait for the village to come and then get your things. So there is another railway crossing here. I don't understand why people go and stand there in the opposite way. थोड़ा भी दिमाग नहीं, देखो ये बंदा आके यहाँ खड़ा हो गया, देखो पीछे देखो. Why do they have to do this? See, दिमाग common sense नहीं होता है. Like we ourselves are creating traffic jams. We are done with the breakfast. Man, यहाँ पे सिर्फ पूरी ही मिलता है breakfast में. Being a South Indian, we have a habit of eating idli, dosa, or maybe poha या upma sometimes in the mornings. I observed that in West Bengal, the puri is made with maida, not wheat. हमारा South में, not South, maybe I don't know about Tamil Nadu and other places, but in Hyderabad, the puri is made with wheat. Sometimes maybe few people they mix मैदा, but purely मैदा से तो नहीं बनता. यहाँ पे purely मैदा से बनता है. सुबह breakfast के टाइम पे, especially when you are traveling, having that मैदा वाला पूरी is not advisable, man. पूरी के साथ ना और भी options थे for breakfast, but you know you'll be shocked if I tell you those options. गुलाब जामुन, रस मलाई, एक और स्वीट बोला राइस के साथ. क्या नाम था उस राइस के साथ स्वीट का नाम? खीर पुली. ओके,
राइस नहीं है बट राइस के जैसा दिखता है.
तो खीर पुली. You know, puli means tiger in Telugu. Okay. If you are someone who wants to have proper breakfast, like not oily food, then please carry your own bread. We did not carry. I can eat anything, man. It's not like I don't eat, but the only thing is I don't prefer eating oily food in the mornings. We are on this Durgapur highway. You have to be on this Durgapur highway. There is a town called Burdwan. So from Burdwan you have to go. till now we have covered 115 kilometers and 520 more kilometers to go. A lot of journey left. See, this is the FASTag line. That line, not the FASTag line. But see the difference. ये फास्टैग लेके क्या मतलब, आई डोंट नो मैन. ये पहले पता तो था ना, मैं फास्टैग लेता ही नहीं था. बट आई थिंक गवर्नमेंट हैज मेड इट मैंडेटरी, यू नो, फ्रॉम जनवरी से मैंडेटरी हो गया. लाइक आई डोंट नो लाइक इफ दैट मैंडेट इज नॉट अलाउिंग व्हीकल्स on the national highway or charging them double the amount. I have driven my car for 14,202 kilometers exactly. It is due for a service now. It's the major service, third service, where they change the engine oil and all those things will happen. And I think I will give it for service only after crossing 15,000 kilometers, because right now it is 14,200 and we have to cover around 1,000 kilometers to reach Shillong. So obviously I cannot give it for service on 15,000 kilometer mark exactly.
Exit toward Asansol, Somdi Road.
So we are getting off this highway. Not sure where this is taking us to. Basically this is a Durgapur highway. I think there is a right turn in front. Like, not sure about this village name here. We need to get off this highway. We have driven for 164 kilometers from Kolkata. So look, after 164 kilometers you need to get off the highway and take a right turn from here. इस ट्रिप में ना गूगल बहुत धोखा दे रहा था हमको. Like luckily we asked people there and we have not taken that route, but Google was almost like 3 to 4 times Google showed us the wrong way. I don't know if it is a wrong or shortcut, but still, like, we don't want to go through villages and towns and waste our time, right? We are in Jharkhand now. मुझे लग ही रहा था because I was seeing all the signboards in Hindi. That time only I realized that we have crossed state, but I did not realize that it is Jharkhand. Okay, there is also some stretch of Jharkhand before you enter Siliguri. See, again it is showing chai break. This is the first time I'm able to capture, man. The roads are pretty good, even though it's a single road. It is very smooth road. It is very nice, and we are driving through the villages, proper Jharkhand villages, and I can see a lot of cultural differences. Maximum the villages are spread across 1 kilometer radius. That's it, not more than that. When I was going through other YouTube videos on this Kolkata to Siliguri route, they told, many of the videos they have told that there will be a lot of truck traffic here and you need to be very careful, especially at nights. However, I am not traveling in the night, but I don't see that much of a traffic here. The roads are pretty empty. But the only problem is there are no proper hotels here. Maybe you will find chai, biscuit, something like that, but not more than that. There is a diversion here. I did not see that. I thought it's just a barricade. This is the first diversion. Till now there was no diversion. बट क्यों है, क्या है, डाइवर्जन है या नहीं है? इट्स अ डाइवर्जन और नॉट? ये ऊपर का ब्रिज का बंद है ऊपर का ब्रिज?
हाँ अभी बंद।
अभी कैसे जाना है?
आपको नदी होके जाना है।
नदी होके
100 रुपए?
हाँ।
क्यों?
ये हम लोग रोड बनाए हैं ऐसे।
अभी इधर 100 रुपए कर रहे हैं क्या?
कितना टाइम लगेगा?
बट नदी से जाएगा ये मेरा कार?
हाँ चल जाएगा, हम लोग पार कर देंगे।
नहीं वो तो मैं कर सकता हूँ बट
पार हो जाएगा। पार हम लोग करवाते हैं गारंटी के साथ में, नहीं होगा से ठलवा के निकाल देंगे। कोई दिक्कत नहीं, ठेलने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगा, ठेलने की जरूरत नहीं
वो
पड़ेगा।
कार जा रहा है ना वो?
हाँ दिया तो पैसा।
दिया है।
गवर्नमेंट नहीं बना रही है, ये
फिर
लोग
वो
बना
ब्रिज का काम चल रहा है क्या?
हो गया नया साल से खुल जाएगा।
हाँ हाँ।
बोलो। हाँ।
थोड़ा सामने
क्या उससे जाना है?
So this is the bridge. I don't know if my car can go to if I मेरा ऑफ-रोडिंग भी हो जाएगा।
क्या ये? कैसे जाना है? वो कार को फॉलो करो।
I hope my car doesn't get stuck here.
4-wheel नहीं है?
फोर व्हील नहीं है। इधर से जाना है क्या? कैसे गया वो कार वाला?
हाँ ये ऐसे देखो, ये नहीं है मार्क्स। हाँ हाँ ये क्या है ये? दिखा तो रही हूँ।
So finally we did that water crossing, and this is my first water crossing. I was scared a little. So this is again a very steep road. So you might have seen that, right? They were charging 100 rupees. They made this road, it seems, because the bridge was under construction. And first time I did the water crossing and also a little bit of driving in the sand. Without any hesitation, car moved out, man. Without any hesitation. I thought it will get stuck in the sand, but it's smooth. You know, Harrier, man, Harrier. Even though it's not a big stretch of sand or it's not a big water crossing, but still, since this is my first one, I'm happy. अभी कितना दूर है ये पता नहीं, कितना दूर ये है ब्रिज। हाँ यहाँ पे खत्म हो रहा है ब्रिज, हियर इट इज एंडिंग। नहीं मैं बोल रहा हूँ टिल वेयर वी नीड टू गो ऑन दिस रोड। वी रीच्ड द रोड, वी नीड टू गेट ऑन दिस रोड and continue our journey. चलो हो गया सक्सेसफुली।